Good morning, everyone. Myself, Sujay BY. I'm from Rajin Institute of Technology. Uh, First of all, I'm wishing you a happy Kannada Rajyotsava to everyone. I'm being this through to explain about my chatbot and how it's created, and through it, how the app was built. So now let's go through it. Yeah, you can see right here. This is the app which have been created using the prompts in the application called Google AI Studio. Yeah, the Google AI Studio can perform the multiple tasks. It has been a multiple options or applications. We can select the AI powered chatbot. In by selecting AI powered chatbot, after it you can give your own ideas or your own prompts for building an app. After it, it's gonna look like this. Have we for this prompt, have for this app, I've been given these prompts which you are seeing in the left screen. Yeah, this is the prompt which have been given for this building an app. After it, yeah, for saying how it's connect to Karnataka, I mean, for this Kannada Rajyotsava, you can see a creative idea or creative thought which have been created in the theme goes like Karnataka or a Karnataka theme. Yeah, see, have been applied a Karnataka flags, yellow and red combination, which goes through like this. And also I added a Karnataka flag, which has been waving in the top right of the screen. First, I'll go through the prompts as fast as I can. I have been given a welcome to the Pattadakal as a title and goes like this. Yeah, this is the prompt which have been given. You can make the changes for your own. Like for example, I want this the crown of Chalukyan architecture in Kannada. Let's take it. And the code assistant helps us to take a more ideas and it also suggests it to give some best ideas or better features to add up for the app. Now what I'm saying is let's convert this. Let's ask the code assistant convert this into Kannada and present it. Now let's go. We'll run this one. It's been running. You have to wait for a second. It's been seen up here. It's been generating. It may take a second. It may take a while. So be patient. Don't go hurry. Yeah, see, it's loading. It's been generating. Yeah, see, it's been created in Kannada. Chalukya Vastu Shilpada Kirita. Yeah, it's been translated. In this way, you can changes and you can add up your own ideas or your own innovations. So yeah, let's come to the app. I built in such a way. I have made two screens. Let's go view in the full screen. Yeah, this is my first screen, which have been added a background like in a Karnataka theme and Kannada Rajyotsava flag. As I said earlier, it's been waving in a top right corner. You can see here. Yeah, I'd also added in the first screen the three buttons: explore temples, about UNESCO tag, and assistant, which have been assisting you in a very easily. You can access very easily. Yeah, now let's go and first click on the explore temple button. Yeah, when I click on the explore buttons, you can see the second screen. It's been titled as the Temples of Pattadakal. You can see the multiple or different temples in the Pattadakal. Yeah, you can see here Virupaksha Temple, Mallikarjuna Temple, Sangameshwar Temple, and Kashi Vishwanatha Temple, Papnatha Temple, Kalangnatha Temple, and so on. You can add a multiple temples. I have been only mentioned the major temples which have been present Pattadakallu. Yeah, and also I've had it in which century it was built and built by whom and in a which style for every temples. As you can see here, when we click on the temple, you can go through the more information about the temple and you can learn about more about it. Yeah, when we scroll down, we can see the button view on the map. Why I have created this button? Because many tourist peoples will visit these places and for traveling they might confuse with the places or the route maps. So they'll go through the Google Maps for a different app. So no need of going for the Google Maps or a different app. You can directly access in this only. When I'm clicking on this, it goes to the location, exact location of the temple. Back to this, I've created this one. And also I have created an amazing, interesting factor, which you have could see now. Let's back to welcome first screen. You can see about AI assistant. Yeah, let's go through it. And this is what it look like. The name, I have created the name like a Tanush, which is a Pattadakal guide. You can learn more and more things about the Pattadakal by using this assistant. You doesn't need to go for the any Google or any other apps. So I have built it directly here only. You can go through this. And also the interesting factor is I have created the multiple languages you can choose and you can understand about it. Now first let's go through this only. I'll go through the about about Pattadakal. Let's enter. Yeah, see, you can see the more information about Pattadakal which has been generated by my chatbot. I'll say that every people can't understand the every languages. They are being specific with their own languages. So there arises a question like how we can see in our language or how we can understand in our language. There's I doesn't understand English. So we can go through this. I have created in the rock. It is in the top right corner, which I'll select. You can see, as you can see in the screen, I have added the multiple languages, Kannada, English, Hindi, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Japanese, for their convenient. I'll now go to the Kannada. Yeah, it's been generated in Kannada. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ನಾನು ತನುಷ್ ಪಟ್ಟದಕಲ್ಲಿನ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ವಾಸ್ತುಶಿಲ್ಪಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮುಳುಗಿ ಹೋಗಿರುವ ಒಬ್ಬ ಐತಿಹಾಸಕಾರ. Yeah, it's go like this. My guide is introducing himself in a Kannada. Yeah, now let's ask about again Pattadakallu. Let's enter. It's been generating. Yeah, see, you can see it's been generating in Kannada about Pattadakallu. ನೋಡಿ ಲೈಕ್ ನೀವು ಇವಾಗ ಈ ತರ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳೋದಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಅವ್ರವ್ರ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರವ್ರು ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಬ್ಲಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಬೇಕು ಆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರನ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಜನರೇಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಯೋರ್ specific language you can understand easily. This is how my chatbot is built. Let's go back to the first screen. And also, the main thing I have had about the UNESCO tag, it's a tag which generated in a short and short manner. You can understand and go through it easily. It says Pattadakallu was incredible as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1987. The site recognized for its harmonious blend of architecture forms from northern and southern India, representing and unique artistic achievement. Yeah, it goes such a way that it's a very understandable and a straight way. Yeah, this is how my chat build was built using these prompts. I'm